In this video, I'm going to show you how to code on Blackbox AI. So first of all, make sure you already installed the Blackbox AI from the extension here in VS Code. So first, make sure you already have or created or saved a project, or it can be empty for now. So in here, just type the Blockbox AI or right click and the type box will appear at the bottom or on the left sidebar. So you can ask now for a code. So as you can see, I have a auto-generated HTML code in here. And so we can ask Blockbox AI again for other code we want to add or for other syntax we want to add in here. So yeah, so that's how you code on Blockbox AI. So for example, if you want to add a syntax for a placeholder, you can just copy the snippet of that problem or that code you want to add a syntax with. And Blockbox AI will help you generate a syntax for that. So yeah, that's it. So they can create a CSS file also. Just make sure that your instructions are clear so that the AI will understand it correctly. And that's it. That's how to code on Blockbox AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.